In this video, we're going to talk about the benefits of garlic for your liver. I am going to focus on the phytonutrient in garlic called allicin. To activate allicin, you need to crush your garlic and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before you consume it. You can also use aged garlic. The fermentation process releases a lot of allicin. Here are the benefits of garlic for your liver. 1. Garlic acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to reduce free radicals and oxidative stress. Garlic helps increase glutathione, which is the master antioxidant in your liver. 2. Garlic helps you break down bilirubin. Excess levels of bilirubin can cause a yellowing of your skin and eyes, known as jaundice. 3. Garlic helps you break down acetaminophen. Acetaminophen is a common drug used for headaches that can cause damage to the liver. Garlic helps counter those adverse effects. 3. Garlic acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory. In turn, this can potentially reduce the risk of fatty liver disease, liver cirrhosis, and fibrosis. 4. Garlic has powerful antimicrobial and antifungal properties. 5. Garlic acts as a natural blood thinner, potentially reducing the risk of blood clots, which can happen in the liver. 6. Garlic can help mobilize cholesterol. 7. Garlic has potent hepatoprotective properties, which essentially bulletproofs your liver cells. 8. Garlic reduces liver enzymes, which signify liver damage.